So the other day I realized I've heat pressed so many t-shirts in the past, from one-offs to birthday shirts to even merch, but I never really heat pressed my own shop shirt. Well, today we're gonna change that. Not only am I gonna heat press my own shop shirt, but I'm also gonna teach you guys how to heat press your own t-shirt the simplest way possible. Before we get to pressing, I want to take a moment to thank our sponsors, Screen Print Direct, for sponsoring this video and sending over the new heat press. In this video, I'm going to teach you the very basic steps on how to heat press a t-shirt with very few supplies. Let's jump right into it. First, you will need your DTF transfers with your artwork. Next, you will need your t-shirt. So the t-shirt that I'll be using in this video is the popular All Style 1301 heavyweight cotton t-shirt. And lastly, you will need a heat press. The one that we'll be using today is the ONYX heat press by Screen Print Direct. So this heat press has a slide out ply-in with a pressure knob on top and also a digital panel to be able to control your temperature and time. If you would like to learn more about this heat press, I'll drop a link down below for you to check out. When it comes to choosing your temperature and time, it really depends where you get your transfer from. Some may require higher temps and longer time, and some may require different. So for our transfers, the recommended temperature and time is 260 at 12 seconds press time. Once you have your temperature and time set on your heat press, you want to let it fully heat up. For this design, we're going to be printing a left chest print and a back center print. So the first thing you want to do is lower your t-shirt onto the press. Once you have your t-shirt aligned on the press for left chest print, give it a quick preheat for about 3 to 5 seconds to remove any moisture from the shirt. When it comes to a left chest print, normally it will be 4 inches down from the collar and then 4 inches over. If you were doing a right chest print, it will be the same. 4 inches down, then 4 inches over to the right. A good rule of thumb is to use 4 fingers down from the collar and then 4 fingers over. But this trick could vary depending on the person. So the quickest way that I found to align my transfers onto my t-shirt is by using a t-shirt alignment ruler. I'll leave a link to one down below. To find the center line in your artwork, take your transfer and align it together. Once you have your transfer line, go ahead and give it a nice crease at the very top and then at the bottom to find your center line. Before heat pressing your shirt, you want to make sure that you use some sort of Teflon sheet or parchment paper. Not using a Teflon sheet or parchment paper over your transfer could potentially damage your t-shirt, your transfer, and even your heat press. Once you have your transfer in the correct placement, press down firmly until the time runs out. Since this is a hot peel transfer, we will have to peel while it's still hot. Grab a corner from the film and with a motion as if you're turning a page, peel right away. Since the back design is going to be a center placement, we're going to align our artwork 3 inches down from the collar. Same as previous steps. Take your transfer and align it together. Fold it at the top and at the bottom to find your center line. Place your transfer in the correct placement and press for 12 seconds. And there you have it, your very first heat press t-shirt. It's really not that difficult to heat press a t-shirt when using the correct supplies. At first, you're going to have some bad prints here and there, but with time and practice, you'll be comfortable enough to heat press like a pro. Well, that will be all for this video on how to heat press a t-shirt. I hope this video was helpful in any way. Let us know in the comment sections if you would like to see more videos like this. If you haven't already, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until then, I'll catch you in the next one, and thanks for stopping by the shop.